Good morning, first graders. It's an exciting day because today we're going to be looking at not just flat shapes that are only two-dimensional, like this very flat word card. That's two-dimensional. It has two dimensions. It goes this way and that way. We get to look at three-dimensional shapes today, kind of like this Rubik's Cube, which goes this way, and that way. It has three dimensions. It's a solid shape. So when you hear three dimensions, I want you to say, it's a solid shape. Three dimensions. It's a solid shape. Oh, you guys nailed it. Now, in our world, we have tons and tons of shapes that are solids. Like this cylinder here, it has a handle on it so Mr. Penny can drink his tea. It's herbal. Mr. Penny doesn't need any more caffeine than necessary. Also, shapes like this little cube. I should say rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is like a rectangle on its faces with squares on its sides. And that is a rectangular prism because it is a solid shape. It's not just an everyday rectangle. This sphere, or even this little sphere, those are both solid shapes. These little puppies roll. And other solid shapes like that rectangular prism, it does not roll. It kind of looks like something Moby would design for a bicycle tire. You would really want to have something that rolls better. This cylinder here as well, kind of like my cylinder for my coffee cup or my water beaker. Yes, I have my own water beaker. You're welcome. This water beaker and this cylinder here, these are solid shapes. They could roll. I wouldn't tip over my water beaker because I don't want to spill it. But in this case, this little guy, this cylinder, rolls. All right, so the next, even this little cone. The cone can roll, but the interesting thing about the cone is that when it rolls, it falls out of your hand. No, I'm just joking. When it actually rolls around, it likes to go in like a circle almost. I'm wondering why that happens. I bet you have a couple guesses. And the cone can also stand flat on its base. It can't really stand on its tip, though. It'd actually fall over. All right, everybody. So next things next. Go to the little Brain Pot video that's either this way or that way on your screen and listen to it. It's got a lot of great information about solid shapes. Then I will see you later on in our math practice. You're going to get the chance to draw in your own Pear Deck today. That's the little slideshow we're using. You'll draw on it. You'll type into it. You name it. So be ready to practice this stuff. And I hope to see you in the wild, wondrous world of shapes. Okay, have a good one, everybody.